welcome to Classic Masala Hut. Today we are going to make Chicken Dum Biryani. So for perfect biryani, the meat has to be flavored and the flavors oozes out from the meat and it is distributed throughout the rice. So for flavoring the meat, I have taken 1 kg of chicken. Do not cut them into very small pieces. Use big pieces for making chicken biryani. Now for flavoring, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 4 to 5 green chilies, and next I am going to add the whole spices: cinnamon stick, cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a cup of thick yogurt, some fried onions, mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Next I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil which we used for frying the onions. Finally add required salt and mix all the ingredients well. Mix it nicely and coat all the chicken pieces with the masalas. Now after mixing, I am going to cover this and marinate this for minimum of 2 hours to overnight in the refrigerator. I have marinated the chicken overnight. Now the next step is to flavor the rice. So for flavoring, heat a tablespoon of ghee. And for flavoring, I am going to add the whole spices: 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 cloves and 3 cardamom. After extracting all the flavors, let's add water. Salt. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, I am going to add the rice. I have soaked 2 cups of basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Now let's add the rice. And cook until the rice is 50% done. Meanwhile, let's layer the chicken pieces. For that, take a heavy bottom non-stick pan. Place the chicken pieces flat on the surface of the pan. Use all the leftover masalas. Do not waste any masalas. Keep this aside and now let's check the rice. If you press it with your fingers, you should be able to feel the texture of the rice. Now at this point, turn off the heat and spread it over the meat. Do not drain the water completely. There should be some moisture in the rice. Sprinkle some fried onions, some mint leaves, coriander leaves, and again spread a layer of rice. Add some fried onions, some coriander leaves and some mint leaves. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter, and also add 2 tablespoons of saffron milk to get a nice color. Soak few strands of saffron in warm milk for 10 minutes. Now after adding all the layers, this is the most important step. We need to lock all the flavors inside. So for that, take some dough and apply it to the edges of the lid like this to make the lid airtight. If you have any opening in the lid, cover that as well and press it firmly so that it forms a tight seal. After sealing the edges, cook this on a medium heat for 15 minutes and after 15 minutes, turn down the heat to low and cook it for another 10 minutes. After cooking this for 10 minutes on a low heat, heat a tawa and place the biryani pot on the tawa and Cook it for another 15 minutes on a medium to low heat. Our delicious chicken biryani is ready. Let's open. Wow. Smells great. Wow. Look at our beautiful biryani. See, the pieces are nicely cooked. That's it. Our delicious chicken dum biryani is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Classic Masala Hut. Spread the joy of cooking.